Indoor living, outdoors, is becoming very popular in the Delmarva region. This Virginia home boasts a large pavilion with a fireplace and television. A Firestone standing seam metal roof sits above a clear cedar ceiling, which in turn is supported by AZEK PVC trim and moldings, dressing up the structural supports and corners where the roof and ceiling meet. Random PA flagstone serves as the base for this covered patio pavilion. The ceiling is teeming with technology. Infratech infrared heaters, 2 outdoor Minka Air ceiling fans, motorized phantom retractable screens, and Trex low-voltage ceiling lights. Meanwhile, an extensive outdoor speaker system ensures that the big game or your favorite music can be heard clearly throughout the backyard. A wonderfully crafted stone outdoor fireplace, a hybrid gas and wood-burning fireplace, sports Eldorado Nantucket stacked stone veneer that spans the back of the home. 2 integrated cubbies for storing firewood flank the fireplace on either side, seamlessly integrated into the design. The fireplace also sports a reclaimed wood mantle with Trex lights and a thermal cap hearth. 4 Trex post cap lights were mounted beneath the granite countertops to add style and visibility. Why keep the party indoors? Design Builders can help you create the outdoor living space of your dreams.